In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a telephone number inside of Twilio. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Twilio on your browser, like you usually would, and log into your account. Then from here, you need to head over to the menu over here and click in voice. Then from here, there should be an option called try it now, and you need to click on that. Then from here, it should link something like this. And here you'll have the get a number, and down here you can click on get your first Twilio number. Now you need to click on this, and then this page should be popping up. Here you can add in the country number that you want to have. So let's say I want a Danish number with plus 45. Then from here I can also search for a criteria like number, where I can search for digits or phrases. I can add the match to either first part of number, anywhere in number, or lowest part in order. Then I'm gonna click search and then find that specific number I want to have. So let's say I want to have this specific number for $15 per month. Here you can see I'll have access to voice, SMS, and a fax number. Then from here you simply need to click buy. Here you can see a little bit more with the $15 per month, and here you need to click next. Here you need to select the end user who will use this specific number, either business or individual. Then from here you need to add in an address. And if you don't have an address, you can create one down here if you want to do that. But for now, I'll just write in mine. Then from here you need to click buy now. Then from here you can add in the credit card details or bank details, and then buy this subscription number. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!